Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great day so far. And welcome to this new video on Luna Classic, your daily update. In the meanwhile, I'm doing some things. I'm sorry, but we'll do a full update again. I mean, I'll keep covering Luna Classic daily. All right, it's interesting to cover. We got some big moves yesterday, which I wanted to talk about because it does confirm what I was thinking already. But we'll get into that a little bit later. In the end, Luna Classic right now. It's definitely a bit of a black sheep in the crypto markets, right? I mean, the crypto markets right now, I won't say that it's entirely super bullish, not as much as last week at least, but there's a ton of cryptos that are performing well, right? And Luna Classic was one of the top performers at the end of November and the beginning of December, but right now it's it's a little bit less. At least, because you can see here with the EMAs that the EMAs are practically flat. So there's just, and this will confirm that, but there doesn't seem to be that much momentum for Luna Classic. And what we want to see from Luna Classic, here you can see it's completely flat, the volume and the open interest, which this needs to be high if we want to break out. Because we want that breakout. I mean, right now, what we're waiting for is either strong bullish technical momentum, which we've seen before, right? I mean, that will definitely happen at some point of time for Luna Classic. And then if we get that, usually there are also fundamentals that come accompanied with that. And that's what we're waiting for. And what I told you yesterday, I think is one of the most important things to realize and to remember. The most important level that needs to be broken, it's the strongest level in my eyes, is this level here at 19,500. That's a level that needs to be broken. And yesterday, Luna Classic actually tried, right? Luna Classic actually, or yesterday, this was in the night. It actually tried it got to that level, but it wasn't able to reach 19,500, wasn't able to break above that. So ultimately, I would say, in the current range, which Luna Classic is in, which is kind of this range, right? It's moving in this range, sideways. This is the breakout we're waiting for. And that could just come technically. Technically, we could all of a sudden get a lot of bullish momentum. Like I said, we've seen that before. Sometimes that seems to be some sort of front running ahead of news, but all right. But for that, for example, like what you need to look at is volume, right? So the volume when the two times that Luna Classic was very bullish was at least $500 million. All right, so here you can see it, 300 million it was right here. But right now, the volume is growing, which is pretty good, or at least it's relatively high. But the volume needs to be at least at $300 million if we want to see a breakout like that. If the volume is not there, Luna Classic will just move sideways. All right, so we'll see moves here in this range, and we'll probably still see a drop down to 17,000 and 16,500, and just sideways movement. And then what's also the risk from this sideways movement is that when Bitcoin falls, which is a possibility, it's Friday, times are like markets are risky, markets are volatile. Then you also have the risk that if Bitcoin falls, Luna Classic will fall together with it down to one support level lower, 15,000. And then from 15,000, I mean, obviously most of you will be in more losses. I do think this is a great support level. From here, I do think we can, get some strong momentum from there. But that's a different story. But altogether, from there, it's also more difficult to reach these levels up here again. Then it would almost be a 100% move, which is a possibility, but it's harder, like I said. All right. So yeah, that's I think what you need to know and what I expect. This is what to look out for. This is what to be prepared for in times of a bit of a bearish flush across the markets, and this is what I expect. All right. So those are my thoughts right now on the Luna Classic. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and Signal group down in the description or the pinned comment as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.